Alrighty, folks. Traditional lenders are getting scared. I want to remind you of a conversation I had with Jonathan Twomley. And then we're going to talk about how Velocity Mortgage is going to be that plan B provider and help all of us, including myself. But before we do that, Stephen, please do that marketing spiel so we don't get in trouble.
Yes. Although I work very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital, all the ideas and topics discussed on this channel, that of my own. So let's get it going. Thank you for remembering this time in the beginning instead of halfway through our conversation. But anyway.
Yeah, I forget sometimes. But let me bring you up on a conversation I had with Jonathan Twomley. So he's obviously an apartment investor, right? He plays in the big times. And he runs a community called Apartment Investor Club. I think that's the name, AIC. Mm-hmm. And in that community, he is seeing multiple people talk about traditional lenders backing away from some lending. So several borrowers had commitments on larger multifamily deals at 75% LTV. These lenders now are backing away and saying the best we could hope for is to do 65%.
Right.
We also have people that are trying to do refis and they can't get them done. And, you know, lenders are saying they're making a macro call talking about a recession in 2026.
Right.
I think that is complete hogwash. I think what we are seeing is $1 trillion in multifamily deals that need to be refied, and there's just not $1 trillion out there.
Right.
So lenders are going to be very picky. They're going to pull back because they know there are mountains of losses coming because they overlent in 2020 and 2021. Where am I going with this? Where is Velocity going to play? Well, the answer is, as we talked with Jonathan Twomley, banks are going to refuse to lend, which means prices or values will collapse. And as I shared with Jonathan Twomley, last time values collapsed so much, I ended up going to a hard money lender because I did not know about Velocity yet. And I was paying 12% interest only. And again, I was buying hand over fist, trying to buy at 12% interest. Why? Because they were still lending. The traditional lenders stopped. So again, where Velocity plays, publicly traded, plan B lender, you will be there and help borrowers who get good deals close. That's what you do, right?
I mean, when other lenders say no, we say yes, typically.
Right.
Might be slightly higher rate.
For sure.
Yeah. Typically the ease of use is, like I said before, is where we shine. And so guidelines that would normally restrict you, we can kind of be a little bit more understanding, like you said, more of a make sense type of situation. So, I mean, the numbers don't lie. We've seen a incredible uptick this year. We're, like I told you before, on record pace. We broke our, company record back in, 2022, back in September. So it's been, again, all that commercial paper that, matured and couldn't go anywhere else, we were able to come in with a very, compelling product. One, it's 30-year fixed versus short-term 5-year, whatnot, easier to qualify for. You can even add up to 10 years of interest only for the first 10 years of your 30-year fixed loan to kind of maybe give you some breathing room until you get and transition into, maybe longer term 30-year fixed kind of, better financing. Whatever the case may be, it's been a good alternative, especially when,
I think you bring up an excellent opinion because, again, as I shared in the story with Jonathan, I was trying to buy as much property as I could at 12% because, again, the lender was giving me the money.
Right.
And I would take, how much do you want? I'll take it all. And when I look at Velocity, and again, I've worked with Velocity, you helped me get several apartments refinanced. Thank you. Mm-hmm. And I know you're going to be there to help me. And again, likely won't be 12% interest that, again, interest rates change all the time, but you're not going to be like a hard money guy, right? You're a make sense lender. You won't be conventional either. I'm not trying to say that, but you're going to get the loan done. And to your point, I would probably get, and I don't normally do this, but I might get a 10-year IO. Why? Because I believe that sometime in the next 10 years, I will be able to refi out of your money into something that's several points lower, but I don't want to be in a rush. I don't know how long this cycle is going to take. This cycle might take 3 or 4 years, might take 7 years.
Right.
So I'm going to get a set it and forget it loan from Velocity, probably 10-year IO. And then I'm just going to do what I did last time. We picked up like 6 apartment buildings last time.
I remember.
Yeah. So it's going to be
You
like,
did
let's
good last
go.
time. You guys did
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, we did okay. But so this is why I think having more relationships with lenders that are that kind of plan B, that have their own money, that are publicly traded, is so valuable. And I wish I knew Velocity, back in 2010, 11. But I know you now, and I won't be paying 12% this time, but I will have a lender that's there for me. So it's going to be fun.
Well, again, what we can do as a lender is pretty far-reaching relative to other lenders that are in our space. There's other lenders that do something similar to some degree, but not to the extent, right? We are nationwide, 46 out of the 50 states. We do both residential and commercial properties. And again, loan amount ranges are pretty, accommodating as well, anywhere from 75,000 up to 6.5 million so far, which is kind of the ceiling. Otherwise, like you said, makes sense. When other lenders say no, we can typically say yes. Obviously, there's going to be differences in fees and such, but typically speaking, apples to apples, matching against a true private money or hard money, our terms are better and our fees are less. So we're kind of somewhere
Yeah.
in between that, the bank loan and traditional hard money. So
Yeah. And the other thing I would tell you, having experienced both, is you are just as fast as a hard money lender, right? A lot of people sometimes look
relatively
at hard.
speaking, yeah,
Yeah, relatively
sometimes,
speaking.
yeah, but much faster than conventional for
Oh
sure.
God. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I
So
mean, it's in the
again,
name.
yeah, no, Velocity, good point. Great name. So again, I think what we're looking at, according to Jonathan, is we're seeing the big banks back away.
Mhm.
We're seeing credit unions and small banks back away, kind of the SMB. And
Tightening
that's
up.
just going to, yeah, they're tight. I mean, ridiculously.
Mhm.
And again, they're not this is why I think it's comical. We're pulling back on lending because of the economy. No, you're not. You're pulling back on it because your loan book is shit. And you've
Right.
got billions of dollars in losses coming. And what does
It's
that
all in how
mean
you
for me?
frame it, Mike. It's all in how you frame it, man. The presentation is one thing, but it's how it's worded. You know what I mean? And it can mean the same, two different things presenting the same
Yeah,
thing. So
both could be true, I guess. Both
both
could be
could be
true.
true. Trust me, man. I do it all day long, brother. So,
Yeah, yeah. But at the end of the day, this is where the opportunity is coming. And what I want to tell real estate investors, especially if you're following us, disrespectful offers, follow up,
yep.
you got to be able to close the loan. And what again, back to Jonathan's conversation this morning, he's having people not be able to close loans. They already have EMD out, right? Earnest money deposits out because they had a
Right.
loan commitment and they're pulling
Right.
away at the last second. That could be millions of dollars if the deal's big enough.
That could be
And
devastating for sure. Yeah.
devastating. Oh, could not imagine losing an EMD because your lender goes, oh, sorry, can't do 75. We got to
Changed
do
our mind.
65.
Yeah. Did I say 70? I meant 60. Yeah.
Yeah. Oops, sorry. But this is why you got to have a plan B. And frankly, I'll just be coming to Velocity. If this goes the way I think it would, we're just going to do multiple files at one time and just crank through it like we did last time. So you people got to be reaching out, got to have conversations. They got to know, because again, I will happily pay 20% interest as an example if the deal cash flows. And then I have
Right.
the flexibility for 10-year IO because I know sometime in the next couple of years, I'll be able to refi out and print money. It's just how it works.
Right. And on top of that, you won't be in the 12s, especially on
Yeah.
the residential side. But on the commercial side, yeah, you'll still even be lower than that on the 30-year fixed. So
30-year fixed, exactly.
that's right. So again, I think just discussing the specific scenario so I can get all the details and dynamics of everything, then structure the best, kind of financing given, that strategy and then the resources available for that deal. So other than that, you know how to reach me. Email down there, sdow@velocitymortgage.com. Please, in the subject line, put the acronym ORAAT so I can find you easier. Otherwise, yeah, typically, if you give me a brief description in the body of the email, your mid-FICO score, best phone number to reach at, usually 48 to 72 hours, I'll be in touch.
Awesome, buddy. I appreciate you. Have a great week. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. And yeah, we might talk not till next year. It's Christmas and New Year's.
Okay, so yeah, okay. So I guess we talk off camera. I'm like, yeah, I was thinking about that next week and then the week after. We're not, because
We'll talk off camera. Yeah,
Okay,
it's on.
okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy. Again, sdow@velocitymortgage.com. Thanks, family.
Thanks, Mike. Appreciate you, brother.
Mm-hmm.